Position. Close your eyes. Hands in Chin Mudra. Let us start with the prayer. Close your eyes and listen to the prayer. Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manamsi janatam deva bhagam yatha purve samjnanana upasate. Slowly, gently rub your palms, generate heat, place them over the eyes, feel the warmness. Slowly open your eyes looking at the palms. Let us start with loosening exercise. Slowly and systematically come to standing position. Place your hands on your waist. Up and down movement. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhaling. Come to center. Neck twisting. Inhale deeply. While exhaling, twist your neck to your right side. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, left. Right. 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 Exhaling, come to center. Next practice, neck bending. Inhale deeply. While exhaling, bend your neck to your right side. Bring your ears closer to the shoulder. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, left. Right. 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 Slowly inhaling, come to center. Next, let us practice trunk twisting. Raise your both the hands in front of the chest, palms facing each other. Inhale deeply. While exhaling, twist your trunk to your right side. Place your left palms on right shoulder. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, twist to left side. Place your right palms on your left shoulder. Continue the practice. Right, left, 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 right. Inhaling, come to center. Release your hands. Next, let us perform knee joint movement. Place comfortable width gap between your feet. Do not practice in case of knee joint pain. Exhaling, come down. Release your hands. Relax for a while. Hands back. Turn to your side. Take your right foot, bend at your knee joint, place it on the lateral aspect of the left thigh. Inhaling, raise the hand sideways. till the shoulder level. Exhaling, palms facing upwards. Further inhaling, join the hands above the head. Maintain. Vrikshasana helps to improve concentration, helps in balancing. Do not practice in case of vertigo or inhale, palms facing downwards. Exhaling, release your hands, release your legs. Of vertigo, inhaling, come up. Exhaling, release your hands, bring your foot forward. Now maintain the gap between the feet. Turn your left foot towards the left side. Inhaling, raise the hands till the shoulder level. Exhaling, bend to your left side. Place the left palms on the left feet. Look at your right thumb. Maintain. Exhaling, release your head. Release your legs one by one slowly. Come to Shavasana. Relax your body in Shavasana. Now bring your legs together. Hands beside the body. Come to sitting position systematically. Raise your right hand up. Bend at your left knee. Turn to your right lateral position. Place your left palm in front of the chest. With the support of your hands, come up. Let us move on to practice of pranayama. Let's start with Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Nasika Mudra. Close your right nostril with the help of your thumb. Inhale through the left nostril. Now close your left nostril with the ring finger. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Now, this is one round.
Unroll the mat, unwind the mind. The perfect way to go about the International Yoga Day. A very good morning, one and all present here. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. And we are gathered here to celebrate the International Yoga Day. And I extend a warm welcome to you all. As famously quoted, yoga is not about touching your feet. It is what you do on a way down. Yoga does not change the way you see the things. It transforms the person who sees it. It matters of a pride that our country, that yoga has having an origin in the root soil of our country and practiced from the ancestors and is passed on to us. Today, it is garnered as the International Day of Yoga Day. The importance of yoga has gained today's a time across the world more than even before. Even the stressful digitalization life that we are subjected to lead to severe diseases, health effects. Hence, being a medical institute, it is our responsibility and awareness to practice the yoga among the people and starting from right here by all of us. So without further any delay, let's start the program. An auspicious note of prayer. I invite Sanjana to invite us for the prayer.
Jagadishwar Sada Vichinmaya Jagadishwar Vande Om Jagadishwar Sada Vichinmaya Jagadishwar Vande Om Paripujita Parar Paratma Parar Paratma Anavaradam Vande Anavaradam Vande Anavaradam Vande Om Jagadishwar Sada Vichinmaya Jagadishwar Vande Jagadishwar Vande Jagadishwara Vande.
Thank you, Sanjana, for your prayer. Now I request Sukesh sir, faculty of Nitte Usha, Institute of Nursing Science for the welcome gathering.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Harshita Rao, Professor Dr. Jaiprakash Shetty, Dean, Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, Mr. Shashikumar, NSS Coordinator, Nitte deemed to be University, Dr. Krishan Prasad, Convener, Medical Education Unit, KSEGD Medical Academy, esteemed faculty members, NSS program officers, staff members, volunteers and dear students. A very good morning one and all. It is my privilege and honor on behalf of Nitte NSS unit, Nitte deemed to be University, KSEGD Medical Academy and Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences to extend a warm and cordial welcome to everyone gathered here for the celebration of the International Day of Yoga 2026. Yoga, an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition, embodies the unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment. It has emerged as globally accepted practices for promoting physical fitness, mental well-being and holistic health. As a future healthcare professionals, it is essential that we appreciate and embrace the practices that contribute to overall wellness and balanced lifestyle. We are deeply honored to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Harshita Rao, Medical Officer, Sharada Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College, Talapadi, Mangaluru. Through her dedication to yoga, naturopathy and holistic health care, she has significantly contributed to promoting the healthy living and wellness in the community. We are grateful for her presence and look forward to her valuable insights. May I now request Professor Dr. Jaiprakash Shetty, Dean, Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, to kindly present a bouquet and formally welcome our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Harshita Rao, as a token of our respect and appreciation. I also wish to welcome Mr. Dr. Jaiprakash Shetty, Dean, Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, whose leadership and encouragement continue to foster academic excellence and student development. Welcome you, sir. I would also like to respectfully acknowledge Dr. Harsha Haladli, Registrar, Nitte deemed to be University, for his continued guidance and support in promoting student development and wellness activities. Though he is unable with us to join us today, we remain grateful for his encouragement and leadership. I also wish to acknowledge Professor Dr. Sandeep Rai, Dean, KS Hegde Medical Academy, for his constant encouragement and support towards organizing meaningful programs like this. Although he today, we sincerely appreciate his valuable contributions. Also, I sincerely welcome Dr. Krishan Prasad, Convener, Medical Education Unit, KSEGD Medical Academy, for his constant support and commitment towards student and community-oriented initiatives. Welcome you, sir. Opportunity to warmly welcome all faculty members, NSS program officers, staff members, volunteers and students, whose enthusiastic participation has made this celebration possible. To healthy living, mindfulness and holistic well-being. May today's program inspire us to integrate the principles of yoga into our daily lives and contribute towards the building healthier and more harmonious society. Once again, I extend my heartfelt welcome to all those who are present here. Thank you and welcome you once again.
And mark the auspicious beginning of this event, I kindly invite all the respected dignitaries to grace the stage on lighting the lamp ceremony.
dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, faculty members from Constituent College of Nitte University, my dear students. When just now I was talking with Dr. Anusha, it is actually conducting yoga is, it should be stress free. It should is basically to ease the stress, but conducting and organizing this is actually stressing for me. Okay, so since 12th of this month we started this program. It is basically, it is a statutory requirement. JP sir also knows. In many ways we are asking from various institutes, from NMC or from UGC, from NAC. They are asking us the report of this NAC, so what are the yoga programs we are conducted at Kshema. From 12th onwards, we organized this program. We are concluding on this International Day of Yoga. Of course, it should be success. The credit should go to the facilitators, instructors, and demonstrators and rapporteurs. In many ways, they have contributed. It is a small token of appreciation we are giving from our side to you, faculty members, who have volunteered themselves to conduct this yoga program. So I would like to request dignitaries on the dais to give a small token of appreciation from our side to the instructors or rapporteurs. So as I call upon Dr. Abhijna Rai, she is Assistant Professor and in charge of Nitte Center for Integrative Medicine and Research. Big round of applause. Dr. Anusha Rashmi, Professor of Community Medicine, Kshema. We seek to help from the Sharada Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College this time. They are very generous enough to send 2 interns and 2 students from their college. I would like to request Dr. Kishan to come here and take the certificate. He is an intern from Sharada Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College, Talapadi. Mr. Manoj, Mr. Ravishankar Nayak, RS, Mr. Vishnu CP, he is a yoga therapist of our hospital. We have facilitator and rapporteur, Sri Sharath, Dr. Priya Alva, yeah, Mr. Bharat Kumar. It is also help from Mrs. Raghava Priya, Dr. Sri Vidya, Mrs. Neharika, Mrs. Swati, Dr. Preeti Hegde, Dr. Ramya Bharat, Dr. Gayatri T, Dr. Muna, and Dr. Mohammed and Dr. Pawan Kumar. Thank you.
Now I request our chief guest Dr. Harshita Rao to share a valuable thoughts with us.
Good morning to the respected dignitaries on and off the dais, Dean, HODs, teaching staffs and non-teaching staffs, my dear students over here. Myself, Dr. Harshita, working as a lecturer and medical officer in Sharada Yoga Naturopathy Medical College, Mangalore. I feel honored to be a part of this 12th International Day of Yoga, which we celebrate today globally, which is a proposal given by Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So I feel grateful for being a part of Nitte University to celebrate this year's International Day of Yoga. So all of you performed very well. I saw from beginning. So I felt very happy for being here. So everyone know yoga, which is as a exercise. Everyone might have been thinking it as a exercise. Actually, the yoga, the word meaning of yoga, it is union, or it is a combination of our physical body and our mind. So the human beings are made up of 3 elements, that is body, mind and soul. So the combination between all 3, so which is nothing but yoga. is the feed for our spirit. If we call it as in a spiritual way, if we see the ancient years, there have been many yogis which are born and who guided us in the ancient times. They are, if we see all the times like Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, Lord Buddha, all are called as yogis because they have meditated on their spirit and they have realized all the stages of yoga. So the yoga, which is not only our postures, there are wings of yoga. So ultimate stage of yoga, that is samadhi. So they have underwent to the samadhi state. So in this modern era, we can't go up to that level, but it is our responsibility to keep our mental well-being and spiritual well-being properly by the practice of yoga at least 15 to 20 minutes in a day. So the every year Ministry of Ayush, it will they have arranged the programs like yoga programs according to the age group. So this year they have chosen the theme like International Yoga Day protocol for the geriatric population. So this is to improve their flexibility, memory and mental well-being and emotional well-being. So other than that, this, every year they will also conduct the programs like Yoga Samavesha. That means they will try to reach the unreached community in the society. Examples, one who are having a sedentary lifestyle. So for them they have conducted the programs like chair yoga practice. So through that they are planned to, they having a aim to the to improve the mental well-being of sedentary, one who have a sedentary lifestyles. So through this we can understand that yoga having a big role in our physical, mental and spiritual well-being. So as in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna said that yoga is a skillful action. That is not only, it is a skillful action means without expecting any thing in return. We have to do the actions in the proper way. So by this I request everyone to practice 15 to 20 minutes yoga every day and to maintain your physical mental well-being. And once again I wish you happy International Yoga Day. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Now I request Dr. Jayaprakash sir to share a few words on the special occasions.
Very good morning to all of you. Esteemed Chief Guest Harshita Rao from Sharada Yoga, Naturopathy and Yoga Institute, my colleagues on the dais, Dr. Kishan Prasad, Coordinator from Medical Education Unit, Sukesh, NSS Coordinator from Noin, faculty members of Constituent College of Nitte University, dear students. Very much interesting to see all of you are assembled in the morning. I think I have just roughly counting, maybe 250 odd plus students and staff members in Sunday early morning. The reason I am telling because in 2014, our dynamic Prime Minister asked the United Nations that you should have an International Yoga Day. Since then, the yoga practice developed. I think in 2022, the National Medical Commission introduced to all the medical colleges in the foundation course that you should have 10-day yoga practice. It starts in June 12 and ends in same June 21st, the 10 days of yoga practice. That's why the 21st is celebrated as International Yoga Day. Since it is introduced in foundation course, all the medical students are reading in the books or in the social media or in any other way, are forced to come into this yoga practice. I was talking to my colleagues over there. They were telling that every student should have a yoga early in the morning. That is 6 to 7. You should have a yoga. 7 o'clock you should have breakfast. And 8 o'clock you should get into the morning class. Then I expressed my own reservations. I think the only 10% of the students can do that. Rest all will not come to the 8 to 9 class. But whatever said and done, it is very interesting that, very important that you should have this yoga practice. The word yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word that means yuj, that is to unite. Those of you studying community medicine, the definition of health is the physical state of well-being, mental, physical and social well-being is defined as a health. If yoga is coined with this physical and social mental well-being, you will be a man or a woman or a lady or a gentleman with the ultimate spirit of shaping yourself. In the era of a lot of lifestyle diseases, we are daily running with a lot of stress and anxiety. Yoga is a relieving factor. You may do in the morning, you may do in the evening. As our esteemed chief guest was mentioning, practice 20 minutes. Practice 20 minutes of yoga, whatever the asanas you know, it will help you a lot. Especially the first year medical students, we all studied MBBS for 1.5 years. For you the MBBS course is 12 months. With the medical counseling committee not having the counseling properly, ultimately you end with only 10 months. The first MBBS is 10 months where we studied 1.5 years. You are studying 10 months with 3 internal assessment. My first year fact, too stressful for you. So yoga is the via media to de-stress yourself. I promise you, practice yoga for 20 minutes. Your scores will, whatever the assessment scores, will naturally go up because you would have de-stressed your body. Anyway, wish you all the best. Sunday is not the morning to give you a lecture. It is the day to practice yoga, to rejuvenate yourself. Wish you all the best. Do daily yoga. Carry from this yoga day to entire your lifespan. Wish you all the best once again.
As a gesture of gratitude, may I request our Dr. Jayaprakash sir to present a memento to Dr. Harshita ma'am. As we come to end of this memorable celebration of International Yoga Day, now I invite Sukesh sir for propose a vote of thanks.
Respected chief guest, Dr. Harshita Rao, Professor Dr. Jaiprakash Shetty, Dean, Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, and Dr. Kishan Prasad, Convener, Medical Education Unit, KSECD Medical Academy. A good morning to one and all. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion of International Day of Yoga 2026. On behalf of NSS Unit, Nitte deemed to be University, KSECD Medical Academy, and Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, I express my gratitude to everyone who contributed to the success of today's program. First and foremost, I extend our sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Harshita Rao, Medical Officer, Sharada Yoga and Naturopathy Medical College, Talapadi, Mangaluru, for gracing this occasion and sharing her valuable insight on importance of yoga, holistic health and healthy living. Your inspiring words and expertise have enriched this celebration and motivated us to incorporate yoga into our daily life. I express my sincere gratitude to Professor Dr. Jaiprakash Shetty, Dean, Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, for his constant encouragement, guidance and support in promoting student welfare and holistic development. Thank you, sir. I would also like to respectfully acknowledge Dr. Harsha Halahalli, Registrar, Nitte deemed to be University, for his continued support and encouragement towards organizing this program. I also wish to acknowledge Professor Dr. Sandeep Rai, Dean, KSECD Medical Academy, for his unwavering support and encouragement in fostering initiatives that contribute to the overall development of the students. Also, my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Shashikumar Shetty, NSS Coordinator, Nitte deemed to be University, and Dr. Kishan Prasad, Convener, Medical Education Unit, KSECD Medical Academy, for their continuous support guidance and commitment in making this program a success. Thank you. I also extend my sincere appreciation to all the faculty members, NSS program officers, staff members, volunteers and students whose enthusiastic participation, teamwork and dedication ensured the smooth conduct of today's event. Thank you. As we conclude this celebration, let us carry forward the true spirit of yoga by embracing healthy habits, mindfulness and holistic well-being in our daily lives. Once again, I thank each and everyone. Also, I mention today's MC, Dr. Grishma, PG from the Department of Pathology, also for her MC. Thank you. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you all for attending this program. Breakfast is arranged for the students in the pack. When you go out, you can collect it. For the